So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys MIBand 3 advanced tips and tricks and secret features that you guys might not know. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Also, I highly recommend you guys to watch this video until the end. There are some interesting features and tricks. So yeah, let's get started. So first you need to download this Notify and Fitness app from the link in the description. So down in the description there is the link, so you can go ahead and download it for free. Once you have downloaded, this app has really cool features that I will show you guys in the later part of the video. First you have to grant all of the permissions and pair your MIBand 3. It's really simple, just you have to click 2 or 3 buttons and your band will pair. So once you have done that, you need to just open the app, and at the bottom you can see button action. Now you need to enable this, and once you have enabled it, you can double tap to do certain tasks like to play, pause music, and it's programmable and you can do a whole lot of things. So single tap for, let's say, play, and double tap to skip tracks in music. So yeah, I will show you guys in a later part of the video. So as you can see, so how this trick works: first you need to go to the main screen, then you need to initiate heart rate, then cancel it, then go to the home back and just tap on the button 2 times and it will change the track, or it will do whatever you have selected in the app. Let me show you guys one more time. So all you have to do is swipe up and initiate heart rate, then cancel the heart rate, then go back to home and then tap twice or 1 time, whichever you have programmed in the app, and as you guys can see, the music is changing. It's a really nice feature. So it's programmable, so you can do a whole lot of stuff. So as you guys can see on the screen, you can do a whole lot of things. So let me just show you guys one more time. Just let me just choose to power on and off the flashlight. So all you have to do is just select whatever you want and just open heart rate from swiping up, and then cancel the heart rate and then tap 2 times. It doesn't work all the time, but it does work. So as you can see, the flashlight is on, and to turn it off you can do the same. Just initiate the heart rate, then cancel it, then go back to home, and then tap double time 2 times, and it will eventually work. So under the single tap function, there is this answer call feature. So you can answer the call with this feature by single tapping the heart rate method. So all you have to do is just enable the feature in the app, and once you get a call, you can just do the same procedure. Just open your heart rate from swiping from the top and just single tapping it this time, and you will initially receive the call, which is really nice feature. So it's not in the main MIBand app, and a lot of users wanted this feature, so here you go. So it's a really nice feature. Make sure to try this one out. Also, you can use your heart rate sensor as an emergency torch. So if you go to the treadmill section in the MIBand by swiping down, you can just initiate it and it will use the heart rate sensor continuously. So if in emergency, next time if you want to let's say if you want emergency torch and if you don't have your phone lying around, you can use this torch, which is quite visible. So if you want to see something in the dark and you don't have anything on you, you can use your MIBand. So it's a really handy trick. So next up, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the WhatsApp notification as a to-do list or a notes app. So whenever you get a WhatsApp notification and your MIBand is paired, the WhatsApp message will be displayed on MIBand. So you can just use that as a notes app, or if you want to remember something, just send that from another phone and it will display and it will be there on your MIBand, and you can just view it. And so you can also use that as a to-do list. So next couple of tricks are in the MIBand app itself. So go to the MIBand and you can see the list to risk feature. So you can schedule it, and whenever you want to, you can just add a start time and an end time. So between those times, what will the MIBand do is turn off that feature, so it will save battery. Speaking of battery, you can just turn off the heart rate detection feature. So this drains a lot of battery. So if your MIBand has 20 days of battery life, this will just reduce it to 4 to 5 days. So if you want some battery life, I highly recommend you guys to turn this feature off. And the last feature on the list is the night mode feature. So you can just schedule a time, and between those time the mi band display will go dim. So let's say if you sleep at 11 p.m. and you wake up at 9 a.m., you can just set the start time and the end time, and between those time the mi band display will be really dim. You can just see it in the night, but it will be not as bright, so it will save battery life. So yeah guys, this is basically it. If you like to make sure to hit that like button, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out.